First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity to speak about my college job placement drive, which is occurred in last week. I am thoroughly enjoyed the few companies which are came to our college. The companies are fertilizer, MNC, etc. So and so. In that job drive, I observed that different people are asking the same question in a different way. That why should we hire you? What are the skills you have? And also, what is the package you are expecting? Like the same question. The same questions are asked in a different way. So we should not ask. We should not give the same answer to the different people. We should give the same answer in a unique way. In such a way that they should hire in by observing the interview only. First of all, in interview, we should have the eye contact, body language, and voice. These three are the major things, and also the way of speaking, the way of communicating. Communication skill also most important. And I enjoyed, I experienced it, and I do not have any panic about the next coming interviews. So thank you for inaugurating such kind of activities, job rush in our college. Thank you to our principal madam and college faculty. Thank you so much.